Hello everyone. So today I am back with the second part of the natural vegetation for geography class 10. So we will be discussing, we have already discussed in our previous video regarding the three forests. Today we are going to discuss about the littoral forest and the mountain forest. So let us start. The littoral forest, which is also known as the mangrove forest, these are said to be as what? They are said to be as the tidal forest found along the central areas and the river deltas. ठीक है. So what do you mean by the tidal forest? Tidal forest का मतलब होता है basically जो river forest है. They are also the river forest. Okay. So they are also known as the tidal forest or the river forest. ठीक है. तो अगर आपने सुंदरबन डेल्टा देखा होगा, so ये सुंदरबन डेल्टा जो है, this is the river delta of the river Brahmaputra and Ganga. ठीक है. And there we can find these littoral forest or the tidal forest. Okay. The next point is the mangrove vegetation can survive both fresh and saline water. So fresh water and saline water basically ये coastal areas में होता है. The coastal waters are found in coastal areas and they are the salty sea water. The salty sea water. So the mangrove vegetation can survive ये दोनों ही water में fresh water plus and saline water और salty sea water में sustain या survive कर सकते हैं. Next we have a hot and wet climate favors the growth of mangrove vegetation. तो इसके लिए ये लिटरल फॉरेस्ट और द मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट के लिए हमें हॉट एंड वेट क्लाइमेट चाहिए होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द रूट ऑफ दिस वेजिटेशन आर ब्रीदिंग रूट्स एंड दैट एमर्ज आउट ऑफ द मड. इसका मतलब क्या है कि the soil in which it grows has very less oxygen. So the roots have to come out from the mud. So basically ये जो roots आप देख रहे हैं, ये जो roots होते हैं वो obviously कोई भी plants के नीचे होते हैं, right? Soil के नीचे होते हैं. But ये जो इसके जो ये जो breathing roots इसको इसीलिए बोला जाता है कि just because इसके नीचे में इतना quantity of amount of oxygen नहीं मिलता है, इसीलिए ये जो रूट्स है ये मड के ऊपर ये निकल जाते हैं, मड के बाहर आ जाते हैं ताकि उन लोगों को उतना क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मिल पाए. ओके. सो दे आर नोन एज द ब्रीदिंग रूट्स. द रूट्स आर, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द रूट्स आर विजिबल ड्यूरिंग द लो टाइड बट रिमेन सबमर्ज्ड ड्यूरिंग हाई टाइड. आप लोगों को पता होगा ऑब्वियसली कि लो टाइड एंड हाई टाइड क्या होता है. So in the high tide, the level of water is very high. Obviously, जब पानी का लेवल ऊपर होता है, जो ये रूट्स है वो पानी के अंदर सबमर्ज्ड होते हैं ड्यूरिंग द हाई टाइड. बट जब लेवल ऑफ वाटर लो होगा, ऑब्वियसली जो रूट्स है ये बाहर निकल जाएंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज दीज फॉरेस्ट आर वेरी डेंस. ये बहुत डेंस फॉरेस्ट है. एंड अगर आप सुंदरबन विजिट किए होंगे तो आपने देखा होगा कि ये इसके जो रूट्स है ये बेसिकली दे आर entangled. They are said to be entangled and that is the reason, one of the reason it becomes very dense. It's said to be as a dense forest. Okay. Next है कि कौन से trees यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. There is a Sundar that is named after the Sundarban Delta and it is named after this tree and it is very important as the wood is hard and durable. Durable होता है, इसका wood बहुत hard होता है, long lasting होता है. Okay. Okay, next is कि इससे it is basically used for making boats. Why? Because in that area, in the Sundarban areas, basically it is traveled by, it is there is less amount of land and more amount of water. So that is the reason boats are very important because traveling in land is not possible. ठीक है, इसी वजह से, as it is a very dense forest. Next is the regions where it is found, the Sundarban Delta, that is in West Bengal, Andaman Islands, Krishna Godavari and Mahanadi Delta. These are the areas, some of the examples which I have given. Okay. Next we move on to the mountain forest. So the mountain forest mostly found, obviously as the name suggests, they are basically found in the mountains. The forests are found in the region of low temperature. ठीक है, temperature कितना होगा 20 degree and a high latitude more than 1000 meter. In the temperate zone, so between 1000 to 2000 altitude, we have the temperate zone, and evergreen trees are found here. यहाँ पे ही evergreen trees भी मिलते हैं. Okay. So altitude का मतलब क्या होता है? Basically, I'm talking about the height here. Next is the coniferous forests are also found here, and altitude is above 2000 meters. The trees have a conical shape to enable them to resist cold and snow. तो इसका मतलब ये जो trees होते हैं आपको basically ऐसे shape के trees मिलेंगे कुछ, अगर आपने देखा होगा kind of Christmas tree type of trees है. तो ये जो trees होते हैं ये conical shape है, conical shape के trees होते हैं. The snowfall on these trees and the snow slips over. Okay, अगर जब snowfalls वगैरह यहाँ पे होता है तो snow बहुत easily यहाँ से slip हो जाता है नीचे. So they do not stay here, okay, and because of this conical shape. Okay. Next is, what are the trees which are found here? They are the chirpine trees. That are being used for packing. Packing के लिए काम आता है. Deodar, that is used for manufacture of material, and walnut, that is accrued. Okay. तो ये हो गया आपका trees जो मिलते हैं. Some of the examples. Regions, ये मिलता है आपके कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश and नीलगिरी में. Okay. Next, ये हो गया आपके kinds of forest, the type of vegetations. ये discussion हो गया है हम लोग का. Next, हम लोग move on करते हैं. The forest cover in India. So, basically, the current forest cover in India is 24.56%. As of ये हम बात कर रहे हैं as on December 30th, December 2019 का latest है ये. ठीक है. As we already need at least 33% of the forest to be covered, and हम लोग obviously try कर रहे हैं, plant कर रहे हैं trees को ताकि ये चीज हो पाए. Okay, we are working on that. Okay. Next is, what are the importance of forest? We all know the importance of forest, how important forest is for us. Okay, the forests are the lungs of the earth. They provide us oxygen. Forests are the storehouse of timber. Forest provides raw material like paper, rubber, etc. Forests are important to prevent soil erosion. Forest provides natural habitat for many animals and birds. So these were some of the importance of forest. Okay. Now next the forest conservation. So first of all, what do you mean by the word conservation, the forest conservation? It is said to be the practice of planting and maintaining forest areas for the benefit and sustainability of for future generation. मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा planting trees plant करना और save करना इस area को, ठीक है, forest को safeguard करना basically. So basically we are talking about here as in afforestation, this planting of trees, development of green belt in the urban areas, banning of deforestation, मतलब basically trees को काटना, deforestation of agriculture. Program like Van Mahotsav should be merged. Fire lines should be created to prevent the forest fire, and the government plan should be developed and provided for forest conservation. So these were some of the areas in which we have to look on for forest conservation. Okay. So I hope this chapter is will be quite helpful to you as per the examples. So thank you for watching this video.